Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the Amour Valentine's Day bow. The template is by Maine Designs, as you can see right there. This is what the template looks like. I have pre-cut all of the pieces. I will do my best to link the materials down below for you. Go over the template really quickly. It is a center wrap. You have 4 circles that will end up being glued to the inside of those hearts. You have the top loop piece, and you have spikes. Pretty basic pieces, similar to the one we did last week, the Paris bow. It's similar to that, but just a little bit different. Hit my glue gun. Alright, supplies you are going to need. Obviously scissors, your glue gun, your materials of choice, the template. Optional is the orange stick to scrape out any glue that seeps out. And our clip, again, is a 3-inch alligator clip. Alright. As always, we are attaching the clip to the back of the spikes. And that is just a line of glue. And make sure it is centered down on the spikes. Then just push down. Alright, I just have a little bit that has seeped out at the end. I take that as a personal victory. Usually it's a lot more I gotta clean up than that little bit. And I take that back. There's a little bit more right there. That's fine though. Still less than I normally have to clean up. Alright, and then you're going to take the center wrap and glue that to the inside of the clip. I've got a lot of questions on why I make my bows left-handed. That just seems to be the standard, so that's what I do. You don't have to put your clips facing, your alligator clips facing that way. If you want to make them right-handed, by all means, go right ahead. This just seems to be the standard that I've seen, so that's what I do. Alright, now it is time for this mess. It's a little bit more complicated because there are 4 this time, and I know the piece looks really weird and it is a little different to put it together. But we will do this together, I promise. You're just going to line around the outside of the circle with hot glue and then just put it down over the heart. Maybe a little bit too much hot glue that time. You're going to hold that down, make sure it sticks. And yeah, that was a lot too much hot glue because that just seeped out all over the place. Bow making is learning from your mistakes though, so that's fine. We'll just put less glue next time. And don't be afraid to use a combination of the orange stick and your lighter to get the hot glue that's not supposed to be there out. Because you don't have a lot of time to work with this, it will harden up. And that's where the lighter comes into play. You just relight it and melt it. Scraping along to get the excess out. It's taking a little bit longer than I thought. This is just really persistent stuff, apparently. Or it just wants to be difficult today. I haven't figured that out yet. Alright, so we have the first one in. I am going to put the rest together off camera, and then I will come back once the rest of the holes, or the cutouts, sorry, are filled in with the little circle pieces. Alright, so this piece is a little different. We do have all of the cutouts glued in. This piece is a little different, so we will go through it together. But you want to bring all of your pieces, all of your tabs to the center. You want to make sure that each side has two pieces that overlap like that. Let me bring that, there we go. But I would practice with bringing all the pieces to the center first before you glue them down. I just made that mistake and had to pull all of them off. You don't want them too close. And you want the same overlap on both sides, so if you have the top overlapping on the left, it needs to do it on the right as well. Alright, that looks pretty good. So we are going to glue down everything. These tabs are pretty small, so you can hold them down in the position you want them in and then glue them that way. All right. All right, the top loop is done. I really wish I would use a thicker faux leather for this, but live and learn. And you are going to come back and attach the loop to the spikes. Because it's a thinner material, I extended the glue line a little bit past just the center, just to give the loops a little bit more support. And bring the center wrap up. If you notice, the center wrap hides, pretty much just hides all of the hot glue, not the hot glue, the center where you brought all the pieces to. And I know that one piece is wonky and we are going to go back and fix it, don't worry. So you're going to glue the center wrap to the inside of the clip. While that is settling, this one didn't quite turn out like I had hoped, so we will come in with the glue gun, little dot of glue about where I want that loop to be, and then just bring it over. Hold it down for a second. There we go, much better. If you don't love the way that this kind of just sticks up, you can come through with a little bit of hot glue, just a tiny little dot, you don't want a whole lot, and glue it down. We are going to trim off the excess of the center wrap. A little string, there we go. All right, and there we go. This is the Amour bow. Now, if you want to leave it like this, by all means, it is a really pretty bow. Would be perfectly fine the way it is. But if you want to bling it up, you can add some embellishments to the center. I have been hoarding some. I'm trying to find the specific one that I am looking for, because if I remember correctly, I have some sequin hearts. I cannot link these down below, I'm sorry. These came in a grab bag of stuff, but I have been hoarding these. At least I thought I had hearts. It does not look like I have hearts, but if you had a sequin heart, that would look really cute there. Apparently I was vastly wrong and I do not have sequin hearts, which therein lies the question. I swore I had them. Where did they go? I have no clue because I'm looking in my embellishments drawer and I do not see them anywhere. I have a Alex drawer dupe. I got it at Michael's. These honestly are really great, guys. I love these drawers. And I have one drawer that's solely embellishments. There's rhinestones, there's bottle cap images that I cut, a whole bag worth of projects, little roses that I attached, things like that. But apparently I do not have the hearts that I thought I did. So it appears as if I just made a really loud noise that I did not intend on making. It appears as if we are going to have to hold off on putting anything on the center because I thought I had something and I didn't actually have anything. So that's fine though. I think it looks really cute as is. This is our Amour bow. You could add one of the little hearts to the center. I'll pull one out just to show you. I'm not gonna add it, but you could add one of the little blingy hearts to the center if you wanted. I just wanted something bigger, so I'm not gonna add that. I will eventually figure out what to put in the center, but for now, this is what our bow is. You guys go. If you like this bow, please hit the like button below. click the share button if you think somebody would like this style bow and would like access to where they can get the template materials, etc. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those in the comment section below. All materials that I can find to link will be in the description box. If you have not subscribed already, there is a subscribe button somewhere around there. Right next to it is a bell. Click that, set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. This is our bow. This is the Amour bow. Like the last one, you could line around here with rhinestones if you are so inclined. I just chose things I knew would pop, but it is up to you. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Next week is a Disney bow we are doing, a Disney themed bow we are doing. It's going to be a Mickey Mouse themed one, and it is with the templates from Miss O. It's bow number 30, but I have nicknamed this one the Kinsley bow after my adorable, sweet 2-year-old niece, Kinsley. She really likes these. So we're going to be doing a set of 2 of them. And it is a Mickey Mouse themed. So make sure to tune in. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.